Engineering branch is different and industry is different. Computer science is a branch, IT is an industry. So when you do projects and when you learn subjects based on your industry, your perspective of learning things will change. Like you will understand the things, but one engineering branch can target more than one industry. A mechanical engineer or a civil engineer or electrical engineer want to work for the IT industry. So as an engineer, you are expected to be fundamentally strong first. We do many different things in engineering. We learn subjects, we do projects, we do internships, we try innovation, we prepare for job, we do research, we try even startups. Broadly, this can be classified in two things. Either we are learning a subject or doing a project. Internship, innovation, research is a kind of a project only. Which subject you will learn and what kind of project you will do is going to decide how much capable you are, how much understanding you have of your engineering, how much skilled you are. What if I tell you there is something even more fundamental which is going to help in deciding right subjects and doing right projects? And that is our today's topic, and the topic is understanding and knowing your industry. Chapter 1: Engineering branch versus industry. Engineering branch is different and industry is different. Computer science is a branch, IT is an industry. Similarly, we have branches like electrical, electronics, civil, mechanical, chemical, and there are many other engineering branches. From industry, we have IT, we have semiconductor, we have power, telecom, manufacturing, real estate, aviation, and many other industries. The point I want to make is one engineering branch can target more than one industry. For example, computer science can target IT industry where companies like Microsoft, Google, TCS, Infosys works. Computer science also targets semiconductor industry where we have famous companies like Nvidia, Samsung, Intel. Similarly, networks industry, the famous companies like Cisco, Netgear, Juniper Networks work in that industry. If you take any other engineering branch also, let's suppose electrical engineering. Electrical engineering targets telecom industry. Famous companies of telecom industries AT&T, Verizon, Airtel. Similarly, power industry, BHEL, Siemens, GE. They are companies which works on multiple industry, and the term we use to call those companies are conglomerates. A famous example which I think everyone can relate is Tata Group, which works on multiple industries. Similarly, GE also is a conglomerate which works on multiple industries. Chapter 2: Why knowing your industry is important. So there are two reasons to it. First reason is like we just talked about, one branch can target more than one industries. So if you know your set of target industries, you will be in a better position to determine what kind of subject and what kind of project you have to pay more attention. And why I'm telling set of industries, it's not that we have to target only one industry, we can target more than one industry also. For myself, I was targeting IT and network industry. So subject I have to learn was programming, web technologies, database management system, operating system, and computer networks for network industry. These subjects I have to pay more attention, and the projects also I will do is related to these subjects only. In subject like digital electronics, microprocessor, I was not paying that much attention. The reason 2 of knowing your industry is like I have seen many students from different engineering branches target industry of completely different branch. For example, a mechanical engineer or a civil engineer or electrical engineer want to work for the IT industry. So since you are aware of this industry, you have to target the fundamental subject of IT industry. You have to do project related to IT industry. And this kind of targeting cross industry is very common, and in many interviews I have seen that the people from different branches are not aware of like what are the fundamental subject of those industry that they want to target. I was taking an interview for an internship in my current organization. So the person was from civil and my company is an IT company. So he wanted to work for an IT industry. So he has good knowledge on programming, which is one of the fundamental subject of IT industry. When I asked him about like other subject of computer science or the subject which is related to IT industry, he said like he has not get that much chance to explore other subject. Since it was an internship position, so the guy was in the 3rd year only, I asked him about what is your next plan for the next 1 year of your college, and he told me AI and ML. So the point I want to make here is like AI and ML, which is artificial intelligence and machine learning, is an advanced subject of computer science. and nobody is expecting you to be expert in those advanced subjects if your fundamentals of that industry is not clear. And believe me, you cannot get good command on advanced subject till your fundamentals of that industry is not clear. So 2 points we have discussed. The first point is like we have to stick to the subjects and projects relevant to our industry, and second point is like we have to stick to the fundamentals of that industry first before actually like learning or doing projects related to advanced subject of that industry. Advanced subject we keep on learning throughout our career, and this is a continuous process. So as an engineer, you are expected to be fundamentally strong first. So which subject you will be learning and what kind of projects you will be doing will depend upon what set of industries you are targeting. But how to know what is your target set of industry? And the answer to this is like this will come with time. Okay, it's not that in first year you will know the answer, okay, these are the industries I have to target. So as you get more exposure to different subjects of your engineering, the different industries your branch is targeting and the market condition of those industries, these all factors plays a role in deciding your target industry. So I'm going to make a video which is going to help you in deciding your target industry. This video was only to get the importance of knowing your industry. Chapter 3, conclusion. We understood the importance of knowing industry, that it is going to help us in determining right set of subjects and right set of projects to be done. But there is a cross question, like why I should be learning only subject particular to an industry or set of industries and not all the subject of my engineering branch. You cannot be good at everything, and I'm not saying that you don't have to learn the other subject which is not targeted for your industry. It's the fact of like what are the things where you want to get expertise on and what are the things where you want to have good knowledge. So when you do projects and when you learn subjects based on your industry, your perspective of learning things will change. Like you will understand the things better. You will understand the application of that knowledge, how it is working in your industry. So here's the plan. Neither you have to go too generic that you are not able to give direction to a career, you are not able to decide your set of industries you want to target. Nor you have to go too specific, which defeats the purpose of engineering itself, that you are discarding too many things. As I said, knowing your industry is going to give you an edge where you will draw a fine line between like what kind of subject, what kind of project you will be expert on versus what kind of subject you will be having a knowledge of. And I told this in my earlier videos, and again I am repeating, like before investing time in anything in engineering, investigate about it. If you want to learn a new subject, first learn about the subject. What is the subject? What are the values I'm getting from that subject? Which industry that subject is going to target? If you're doing a new project, what skill set is required for that project? Which industry that project is being targeted to? And there are many videos coming on this channel for these topics, like how to choose your subject, how to choose your project. Hope this video is going to help you in making your engineering decisions better. Thank you.